Hi guys, Mav here and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav and I do custom stickers and DIYs. So if you love those kind of videos, do not forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And yes, from the thumbnail and title itself, we are going to be doing custom phone cases, pour painting edition. And if you'd like to see how I did that, then keep on watching. Alright, so we've got two palettes right here. This is mine, and we're gonna do a South Beach themed phone case in here, and then a black and purple right here because that's my husband's favorite color. And we're gonna start off with this. So I've taped off the holes inside and the sides as well because I just wanted the side to be here. I'm so sorry if you can hear someone hammering something. That's my neighbor. I don't know if you can still hear me now. I'm trying to shout right here. So this is basically plastic on plastic, so you don't need to have any preparation. But if you want to wipe this off with a cotton ball and the acetone, you can definitely do so. And I don't know if this is going to work because it has elevated edges right here on all corners. Let's spread this out a bit. And I don't know if you can see the gold particles, but I actually used, what do you call this shit? Just a black, like a black, and then a pearlescent black from Berkeley. So it has gold glitters in it. Since the surface is smoother than a canvas, it actually flows better and easier. And so you're just basically going to be using lesser paint. Alright, let's start blowing this up. So let's see what's gonna happen if we scorch this. Oh shit, that's a lot of bubbles. I mean, cells. Bubbles. We lost a lot of the pink, so let's put some of that back. That's ugly. Okay, now so let's try this one out. This is a silicone case. That looks like it's leveled. Alright, let's see. I want the negative space to be half pink, half... Actually, no. I'm trying to think if it's going to be half pink or half gray, and then the blues in the middle, or we'll just leave this part as it is, and then we'll just be blowing it up. This one, what I'm trying to do is not to tape this and see what happens. If we can just scrape that off easier, or it'll be harder without the tape. Let's see, it's just an experiment anyway. Okay, this is gonna be a really dirty one because it's gonna be random. Okay. Oh, good thing we take that shit. Okay. Thinking of a better way to do this, but nope. Now let's put this on the parts where there's no paint. See to blow this up. It's my straw. And I think that's that. We'll just let it dry. Let it dry. Alright, so this is after 24 hours. We'll now be removing the tape. Alright, so that's still very wet. So I'm just gonna let this dry in my incubator, and then I'll show you the finished result. And there you have it! We're all good! Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mab. You now have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye-bye!